Hey, what's going on YouTube? Collider, aka Smooth Flipper, and in this video, I'm gonna go over a little story that happened a couple days ago. If you are in my free Facebook group, you do already know what happened if you saw the post, but I figured my YouTube viewers and subscribers will want to hear it as well. So a couple days ago, I posted an ad and was getting messages all day, right? And came across a guy who was selling his iPhone 8 Plus for Verizon. It was 256 gigabytes, good condition, everything. Um, and I got all the information from him, and just asked him what did he want for it, and he goes, "Well, um, times are hard, so give me 300." Just like that. He goes, "Give me 300." And what I did was, I obviously read it and took a step back because $300 for an iPhone 8 Plus is a great deal. I have it pulled up right now. These phones are going for about 750. If it wants to, there you go. That's 750, and then there's another one right there for 750. So that's a good deal. Buying the phone at 750, selling the phone at 750 and buying it at 300 is a great deal. I knew this guy kind of was desperate for money, but at the same time, his words to me was, "Give me 300." Now, I know some people might think, well, it's money's whatever. What you have to realize is this is our business. So if you are doing this full time like me, this is your business. You want to be respected in your business. You don't want to be the one that everybody goes to push around to be that type of pushover in your business. You don't want to be that kind of guy or woman who is just being taken advantage of, or just talked to any kind of way. And for me, that's not how I do things. I try to keep everything as professional as possible. When asking questions, when doing business in general, for somebody to say, "Give me $300," that in my opinion was something that I just couldn't take. So I told the guy, I said, "Well, um, I'm not gonna give you anything, uh, and I'm gonna pass on this phone as well. Um, Thank you." So what I did was something that some people might feel is wrong, for turning down the deal. Some people might feel, it was right because, like I said, I run the business. I don't want to be, talked to any kind of way. Yes, I am offering a service. We're offering a service that's cash, but I'm respectful on my end. I expect the same thing from the other person. So, you don't just go into a bank and go to the teller and say, "Hey, give me $400. Here's my card. Give me $400." You know what I'm saying? It's just something you just don't do in business. So I just want to run that by you guys and just and to off of the story to get some value from this story is, do not let people talk to you any kind of way you want. You have the cash. You have to realize that um, you are in power. Yeah, we want to buy phones. This is our job, but at the same time, you have to realize you're in power. They want the cash. A lot of times, people sell you phones. These are phones that they either got an upgrade from or don't need anymore. So you have the cash. You have what they want. So what you want to do is you want to keep everything professional. You don't want to be talked to in any kind of way. Um, and I turned down the deal. And the crazy thing is, this guy was kind of pushy as far as desperate to sell. He messaged me again, and I didn't reply. The next message he sent me, I guess he realized that what he said was wrong. The way he came at me was kind of wrong, and he apologized. He said, "Hey, um, I'm sorry if I came off like that. I'm just in need of cash. I'm just in need of cash, and I apologize." And for that, I forgave the guy. I was like, you know what, apology accepted is fine. I just want to keep everything professional on my end and on your end. So, I ended up meeting this guy, and it was good because he apologized, which was fine, and he actually needed the money bad. So it was kind of something that made me feel pretty good, even though I am getting a great deal on the phone. He really needed that $300. So keep that in mind, guys. Do not let people, walk over you, talk to you any kind of way they want. Um, this is your business. Run it the way you want to run it. I run my business professionally, so I would expect everybody else to do the same. So hopefully you guys found some value from this video. Please drop a like, comment, and subscribe if you are new to the channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.